hydrogen and helium, the universe's OG elements with wildly different personalities. Hydrogen, element number 1, is the fiery rebel powering stars and rockets. Helium, element number 2, is the chill, unbothered noble gas that floats balloons and literally makes you sound like a cartoon. One's explosive, the other's unshakable. One fuels life, the other cools supertech. In 60 seconds, we'll unpack their cosmic clash, why one rules chemistry and the other just floats above it all. Let's dive in. Fire balloon, hashtag science shorts. Hashtag hydrogen, H, versus helium, HE. 50 key differences. No hydrogen, H. Helium, He. 1. Atomic number 1. Atomic number 2. 2. 1 proton, 1 electron. 2 protons, 2 electrons. 3. Lightest element in the universe. Second lightest element. 4. Diatomic gas, H2. Monoatomic gas, He. 5. Colorless, odorless, flammable. Colorless, odorless, non-flammable. 6. Most abundant element in the universe. Second most abundant element. 7. Key component of water, H2O. Formed in stars via nuclear fusion. 8. Non-metal. Noble gas, chemically inert. 9. Reactive, forms H-ions. Inert, no chemical reactions. 10. Burns with a pale blue flame. Does not burn. 11. Reacts with oxygen to form water. No reaction with oxygen. 12. Lighter than air, 0.08988 G/L. Heavier than H but lighter than air, 0.1786 G/L. 13. Boils at -252.87 degrees C. Boils at -268.93 degrees C, lowest of all elements. 14. Used in rocket fuel. Used to fill party balloons. 15. Forms H-ions, acidic. No ions formed. 16. 3 isotopes. Protium, deuterium, tritium. 2 stable isotopes. He3 and He4. 17. Simplest atom for quantum mechanics studies. Exhibits superfluidity at near absolute zero. 18. Basis of hydrocarbons, methane, petrol. Used in cryogenics and cooling systems. 19. Found in human body, water, organic molecules. No biological role in humans. 20. Fuel for hydrogen bombs, nuclear fusion. Used as a coolant in nuclear reactors. 21. Makes up 75% of the universe's mass. Makes up 24% of the universe's mass. 22. 0.00005% of Earth's atmosphere. 0.0005% of Earth's atmosphere. 23. Powers the sun via nuclear fusion, a byproduct of stellar fusion. 24. Forms polar covalent bonds. No chemical bonds formed. 25. Potential green energy source, fuel cells. Used in MRI machines to cool magnets. 26. Reacts with lithium to form LiH. Does not react with metals. 27. Used to make ammonia, NH3. Used as a shielding gas in welding. 28. Acts as a reducing agent. No redox activity. 29. Poor conductor of electricity. Poor conductor of electricity. 30. Liquid hydrogen is rocket fuel. Liquid helium cools superconductors. 31. Experimental use in aircraft fuel. Used in aircraft tires. 32. Forms hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. No oxides formed. 33. Found in CFCs, ozone-depleting compounds. Harmless to the ozone layer. 34. Used in satellite fuel cells. Used in deep-sea diving gas mixtures. 35. Not a greenhouse gas. Not a greenhouse gas. 36. Deuterium forms heavy water, D2O. Helium-3 is used in fusion research. 37. Discovered by Henry Cavendish, 1766. Discovered in the sun's spectrum, 1868. 38. Name origin Greek, hydro, water, plus genes creator. Named after Greek sun god Helios. 39. Found on Earth in water and living organisms. Extracted from natural gas reserves. 40. Explosive. H2 plus O2 explosion. Non-explosive and safe. 41. No voice change when inhaled. Makes voice high-pitched when inhaled. 42. Not used in light bulbs. Used in neon lights. 43. Key component of acids, HCl, H2SO4. No role in acids. 44. Used in hydrogenation, oils, fats. No chemical reactions. 45. Found on Mars as methane. Helium. 3. Found on the Moon. 46. Caused Hindenburg disaster, flammable. Safe for modern airships. 47. Used in hydrogen fuel cell batteries. Cools superconducting magnets. 48. Found in volcanic gases. Byproduct of radioactive decay. 49. Primary fuel for star formation. End product of stellar fusion. 50. Potential future energy source. Limited reserves on Earth. Hashtag YouTube video tips. 1. Thumbnail. Cartoon H2 and he characters battling, e.g. H2 as a fireball versus. He is a lazy balloon. 2. Visuals. Use animations, e.g. H2O formation versus. He balloons. 3. Fun demo. Show helium's voice-changing effect. 4. Quiz. End with a quick quiz, e.g. Which element powers the sun? Perfect for students, science enthusiasts, or curious minds. Milky Way balloon.